Did you know the United States borrowed its democratic blueprint from the very people it would later destroy? Centuries before the American founding, the Haudenosaunee built something remarkable. 6 nations united under a single governing document called the Great Law of Peace. It had federalism. It had separation of powers. It even gave people the right to remove leaders who abused their authority. This was not folklore. This was a functioning political system, and it worked. In 1754, Benjamin Franklin stood at the Albany Congress and explicitly pointed to the Haudenosaunee Confederacy as a model worth studying. Several founders examined its structure while designing the Constitution. Think about that. The ideas that shaped American democracy did not come only from ancient Greece or Enlightenment Europe. Some of them came from the nations already living here. And then the new republic spent the next century dismantling those same nations. It used laws to erase the people who had helped inspire those very laws. The student did not just forget the teacher, it erased them.